What's going on, little ladies and gentlemen? Just chilling now with the fellas. Just chilling now with the fellas. Just in here killing time, guys. Killing time. Killing time. Boss man. See, we gotta get these floors repaired. See, the floors look kind of like way ashy. So what we doing today, the floors will be getting repaired, remodeled. As you can see, the floors look kind of ashy and all that there. So what we'll be doing today is remodeling floors, putting new floors down. You can see the floors kind of like way ashy. So that's what we'll be doing, and replace these new lights. So that'll be something that we'll be getting into today. Something that we'll be repairing and getting things locked up and all that there. So we're really gonna be getting some things done today. You know, we just waiting on the crew. As you guys can see, how the floor is mapped out. Everything will be replaced today. Marble, fresh, and all that there. It's a 5G. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of things we're gonna be getting done today, guys. We just waiting for the crew to come. You know, take it one day at a time for real. Get some things done like we supposed to, and you know, we'll be repairing the ceiling and all that there. We'll be getting a lot of stuff done today and all that there. So that's what we'll be getting done and all that there. Okay. So. Mobile hotspot include 5G left data and speed up to 600. Keep a remaining month your date experience and financial some data accomplished such as a street video or item may be impacted. Yeah, we're gonna be getting a lot of things done today, guys. We just waiting on the crew to come with the repair, the paint, um all type of stuff so we can be able to take these floors up today. Affordable, Cancifitic. Yeah, guys, we're gonna be getting a lot of things done today, guys. Yeah, it is. It's cold, but got to get these floors up and repair them. That's your car over there, parked on the side. That's your over there on the side. Is that? That's your car right there, parked on the side. I know. Drive the car on the side. Yeah. That's yours, ain't it? No. Oh, you don't drive though, right? No. Okay. Yeah, they should be hurried up here in a minute now. They should be hurrying it up here in a minute now. Verizon Wireless. Say Verizon Wireless. Prepaid plan information. Only 5G, AL split 4G left. Capture device required. That's what it is. Alright guys, we're finna go ahead and wrap this up. Wrap this video up, ladies and gentlemen. We're finna go ahead and get to work. Get everything done. Catch you guys here pretty soon on the next one. You guys take care of yourself. Peace and blessings. God bless you guys to the most high respectfully. Finna get some work done, guys. Peace and blessing, guys. We out.